was create. And apply to save. Let copy this config. Enter VLAN name. VLAN ID 182, then OK. And you can see the VLAN tag there will auto-apply, and we don't need to enter manually. Click Create. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, gonna show you how to configure multiple VLAN on Promox VE with MikroTik RouterBoard. Based on this diagram, we have a MikroTik router connected on port 2 with HP workstation port, and we want to tag multiples VLAN, such VLAN 181 and VLAN 182 between both of devices and the Promox VE already installed on this HP workstation. Let's get started together. The first, I connect to MikroTik by Winbox. Here my MikroTik router. Select on interface. As you see here, I already created VLAN 169, and let's create another VLAN based on our scenario. Click here, then select VLAN. Enter VLAN name, VLAN ID, and interface bridge that I was create. And apply to save. Let copy this config. Enter VLAN name, VLAN ID 182, then OK. OK, so we have done configure VLAN 181 and 182. Let config IP address for those VLANs. For VLAN 181, I will assign this IP address and select VLAN 181, then apply. And copy to assign another IP address for VLAN 182. Change to 182 and selecting VLAN 182, then apply and OK. So we have completed at IP addresses for those VLAN 181 and 182. Let's switch back to Promox server. OK, here's my Promox server. Let's going to create the VLAN. Just select it on Promox host like this, and select it on network. Just select it here and click on Linux VLAN. Type VMBRO.181. And you can see the VLAN tag there will auto-apply, and we don't need to enter manually. Click Create. Let create VLAN 182 and following same step. Enter VMBRO.182. VLAN tag 182 already assigned auto. Click Create. OK, so now we have done create both VLAN 181 and 182 on Promox server. Let's me use this VM to testing the VLAN to ensure those VLAN 181 and 182 working as expect. To assign VLAN 181, just double-click on network device and VLAN tag, put 181. Click OK. Start VM. In the same time, let's me create DHCP server on MikroTik to assign IP address auto. To setup, just click DHCP setup and select VLAN 181. Then next, DHCP pool, and I allocate from 100 to 110. Then just click next and next to completion. For setup DHCP for VLAN 182, just follow the same. DHCP pool, and I allocate from 100 to 110. Then just click next and next to completion. Now, we have done setup DHCP server as well. Let's switch back to our VM testing. Connect to console of this VM. We can open a new browser of this VM as well. Let's me open command prompt and check the IP address. I type this command to open network setting. We can use this command to check current IP assigned. It was assigned static with another IP address. Open network adapter to change from static to DHCP. Double-click and properties. OK. It seems a little bit slow. Double-click on IPv4 v4. Change to Option and IP address instead of static and DNS as well. It is identifying now. It ready now and get an IP address, subnet mask, gateway and DNS of the VLAN 181. It looked good now, and let testing the connection by ping to its gateway. I ping gateway.1. Yep, it looks fine. I ping to Google's DNS, but it does not work because I didn't add a route on my main router yet. I just completed add a route on the main router, so everything should be fine. Let's ping again, and now everything looks good. I testing the tracer to see the part reach to the internet. As you can see, it passed through its gateway to reach the internet. Okay, so let testing with VLAN 182. Just select on hardware and double-click on network device. Change to VLAN 182. OK. Let connect console. Check IP address. We can get the new IP address of VLAN 182. Ping to the gateway, working fine. Ping to the Google's DNS, working fine as well. Everything looked good, and it works as expected. Let verify DHCP that release the IP address to VM for both VLAN. As you can see here, the IP address .110 are offer the VM of those VLAN. This is the IP address for VLAN 181, and this one for 182. Conclusion: in this video, we have success for config the VLAN tagging between MikroTik router with Promox VE. So that's all for today, and if you think this video helpful for all of you, please help to subscribe, like and comment below video. Thanks everyone, see you the next video.